Pro Tips, powered by Teco Guide.
What's up, everyone? It's Professor G, and here's another pro tip for you. When you apply to a community college and they give you your student ID number, there's a bunch of steps you need to follow right after that. The steps usually include completing a college orientation and then seeing a counselor where you will discuss what classes you will be enrolling in for the following semester. After you meet with the counselor, then usually the college assigns you a specific date called an enrollment date of when you need to sign up for classes. You'll look through something called a class schedule, which is all the different class times and days and professors that are offering the classes. You'll then choose the classes that you want to enroll in if they're not full already, and then you'll enroll officially on the college's enrollment website, whatever that program might be. Make sure you get familiar with the software that your college uses for enrollment, because you need to be practicing with it so that when your day comes for enrollment, you're actually able to sign up for classes for that next semester. Once you sign up for classes, double check your account every 2 to 3 weeks to make sure that you don't owe any money. Sometimes students get dropped for owing fees, so if you don't want to get dropped late from your classes, make sure you check if you owe any money by logging back into that software program that your college uses.
For more helpful tips like this, to find the quickest and most affordable way possible to get your degree, go to the App Store and download the free Teco Guide app.